Okay, this heart, as you can see, the circle is at 21 centimeters and the length is at 17 centimeters. So if you like to make it bigger or and longer, then watch the full video. I'll tell you how to do it. So the stitches used here are half double crochets and single crochets only, on double crochet for this magic circle. And if you're using a different type of yarn and a different hook size, your size will be different. So if you like it bigger, or if you like to make it for adult, then use a bigger hook size and a bigger size yarn also, and you'll get the measurement that you need. So thank you. We will start with magic ring. Okay, I'm using a 3.5 mm hook and this light decay yarn. Make chain 3 and 11 double crochets into this ring. And this is the 11th double crochet. Close your ring, and when you make your magic ring, be sure to leave tail at least this long, because I've had a couple of hats unravel due to lack of this, or I didn't tie it strong enough. So join with a slip stitch on top of your chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and slip stitch into your next stitch. And here we are going to work with 2 half double crochets in each stitch. 1, okay, 2 half double crochets in each stitch, and you should have a total of 12 increases or 24 half double crochets. So when you finish this round, you count, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and 12 increase. And here I'll show you one. Okay, instead of joining your yarn here with a slip stitch like this, if we do it, leave that stitch like that, and this is your first half double crochet, not in the chain 1, behind this, insert your hook like this and take this loop, and then you make a chain 1 here. It makes all the difference, and you know, where we start here, it will not be too obvious. I've tried a couple of hats with this technique and it looks great. So chain 1 is not your stitch, so yarn over, and in that first stitch that you have here, you will make 2 double crochets. And if you like, you can put a marker, and we will always join from the back side behind this first double crochet, half double crochet. So you will have your increase, and then you have 1 double crochet in between, I mean 1 half double crochet, and then you will have 2 half double crochets again, and then you'll have 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochets into the next stitch, and we will have a total of 12 increases. In every increasing round you will have 12 increases. Okay, so you will have 1 half double crochet in between, and then you will have 2 half double crochet like this. Okay, have 2 and then 1 2 1 2 1, and you can continue all across, and if you need you can count your increases. You should have 12, and your last half double crochet will be here. Okay, after your last increase, so your last half double crochet here in this space, and behind your half double crochet you take this loop like that, you chain 1, and we will always start our round with an increase. Okay, so here you will make your 2 half double crochets again, and you will have 2 half double crochets in between the increases. So you have increase, and then this is 1 2 and then increase, then you have again 1 2 and increase, and just like that you will have 2 half double crochets after your last increase here. Okay, so here as you can see you have 2 half double crochets, and then you will join behind your half double crochet, and you chain 1, and if you have a look, it makes all the difference. See, let me show you. This is a hat I made earlier, and this is where I start, and you see it looks, my half double crochet looks a bit bulky here, but not in this one. And so we are going to repeat by making an increase in the start, and in this round we are going to have 3 half double crochets before the increase, and then I will keep increasing until I have 5 half double crochets in between my increase. Okay, so this is 3, so 4 and 5. After that I will show you what to do. Okay, so continue increasing until you have 5 half double crochets in between your increase. Okay, and when you end your round, do just like what you did here, and you will have 5 half double crochets before your increase. Okay, so keep going, I'll show you what to do again. So here I have 5 half double crochets in between my increase. You see, 2 4 and this 5th one is this, and then join with a slip stitch, and I will not increase again. I'm making this for babies 1 to 2 years, so I will not increase. And in this round and in the next 2 rounds I will work 3 rounds here with this number of stitches only. I will not increase anymore. So you have 1 half double crochets in each stitch for 3 rows. Okay, so this is 1 and 2 more rows, no increase. Okay, 1 half double crochet in each stitch, and when you finish your 3 rows I'll show you what to do. So here I made 3 rows with without increase, 1 2 3. So in this round I will decrease. Okay, for the hat to take shape we will decrease. So make your first half double crochets, and we are going to have 5 half double crochets. So 1 2 3 4 5, and after 5 half double crochets you are going to have a decrease. So insert your hook and into the next stitch and complete as 1 half double crochet. Okay, so you're going to have 5 again. 1 2 3 4 5 and a decrease. So insert your hook and then into the next stitch and decrease. And for this round, this is what we are going to repeat. We will end our row with a decrease in these 2 stitches here. Okay, a decrease and then join with a slip stitch. And if you check from the inside, you will have this little bump at the start of our row from the inside, and from the outside this is what it looks like. So you chain 1, and here we are going to have again 4 half double crochets and a decrease. So 1 2 3 and 4 half double crochets, and then you will have a decrease. So 1 2 and finish as 1 half double crochets. You will have 1 2 3 4 and a decrease. So insert your hook and into the next and decrease, and if we are doing it right, we will end with a decrease again. So decrease and join again, and chain 1, and this is how it looks. So I will take the measurement. I think it's quite big. From this one end, it is still big here, and let's see if we have 12 stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Fold that in half, and now we cannot add decrease again in every. So I will make a few decreases, but just random number. Okay, you can add maybe 4 or 5 decreases, 1 here, 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 and we will not count after how many stitch, just add in some random spaces. Okay, so I will add a few more decrease here. I will make a few more decrease. Okay, so 1 half double crochet, so I'll just make 1 in here, 1 2 3 4 5, maybe 6 decreases. Okay, so I'll add my first decrease here, and then 5 more all around. So continue around, see you in the next. So I'll make my 5th decrease in this last 2 stitch. I made 5 decrease all across, and so here I will not decrease anymore. So I'll work 2 rounds here with this number of stitches. You have 2 rounds here. For bigger size you will have 3 rounds, and this is my small size, so I'll have 2 rounds without decrease. After that I will show you what to do again for the brim, and by the end of this row you will see that your heart has taken its shape. It looks beautiful, and when you have If a bigger size, you'll have 3 rows, and here I have 2. So after this row, you can do what you prefer. Okay, you can do either a front 2 rows of front post and back post double crochet all around, or you can make single crochet stitches about 4 or 5 rows. Okay, so I will do the single crochet. So you chain 1 and you insert your hook, and you will have your first single crochet there. I'll make about 4 rounds of single crochet, so 1 single crochet in each row. I'll see you right here. So make your last single crochet, and we will join the same way that we joined the half double crochet round. And this is our first stitch, so through both the loops. Okay, this is our first stitch, and you will join your round and you chain 1 and make single crochet again. And I will have about 4 rows, so I already have 1, so 3 more rounds. After that I'll show you what to do. So after 4 rounds, you join and you cut your yarn and secure. Then we will weave in our ends using a needle. And you can do the same with this tail on this magic circle. Okay, take it back and forth a few times and secure. And if you like a flower, you can add a flower or any piece of decoration that you like on your hat. I hope you liked the video, and thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.